Assalamualaikum friends. Today I'm making chocolate ice cream. It is my favorite. Let's go to start. First I take condensed milk 1 cup and 1/4 cup condensed milk and half bowl cocoa powder and 2 bowl whipped cream, and we will take condensed milk and put the big bowl and again condensed milk and then cocoa powder, and we will do the mix. Yummy condensed milk. It is so yummy. Yes. You want to eat this ice cream in the home. Now 1/4 cup condensed milk again. Now put the 1/4 cup condensed milk again. Then we will take aside the condensed milk and we will take the cocoa powder and we will mix with spatulas. It is so yummy. It is the cocoa powder. So yummy ice cream. It is so yummy. It is done. It is done. So yummy. It is done. Now I put the side and take the big ball, and we will take the whipped cream 2 ball and put the big ball, and we will take the now we will take the beater machine and we will beat the whipped cream. I am making the first time to beater, but I am best. It is so enjoying. It is the beater. It is so dangerous. Yes, beater. Yes. I am enjoying the first time beater. Making ice cream first time the beater. Now we will side the beater and we will take the chocolate mixture in the whipped cream. Now we will put the chocolate mixture in the whipped cream. Now yes, done. Yes. Mixing very gently chocolate and whipped cream mixture. Yay, it is so yummy. Now I am mixing so gently. See it. Yay, I'm ice cream to eat. So excited. The ice cream mixture is ready. Now we will take the airtight jar and we will put the ice cream from a spoon in the airtight jar. Now I am putting the airtight jar in the ice cream. Yay. Putting ice cream for freezer for 8 hours. Now it is complete. Now I am wrapping the ice cream in airtight jar. Now I take the cap and put the airtight jar up. Now ice cream is ready. Yes. Now I will take the ice cream in the freezer. It is the freezer. Now I put the ice cream for 8 hours. Now I am eating tomorrow, and you will also try this ice cream. My ice cream is done. It is so yummy. Now eat the ice cream. It is you want to check. Now I open the ice cream. It is the wrapper. I think yummy. It is the ice cream. Yummy, so yummy. Now take out the ice cream. Nice. Amma. Now I put the airtight jar cap. Please check, brother, the ice cream. You want to eat the ice cream? Hello. It is yummy. I check the ice cream. यम्मी। इस रेसिपी का यार नेम मुझे कमेंट में दिएगा। लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। बाय।